Welcome to another Tableau tutorial video. Today we're going to discuss some of the 3 key concepts everyone designing a dashboard should keep in mind. The first, who is the customer for the dashboard? In other words, who's going to use it and how are they going to use it? This information is from the San Francisco Police Department and was designed for police chiefs or politicians to communicate with other politicians or the public about how they're doing, kind of a performance review. As a result, you quickly see how they're doing. A lot of these are compared to the historical average. You can see the current versus the historical average, current versus historical average, and broken down by different crime categories. If this was for the police officer on the street, or maybe the sergeant dealing with shift work, some different charts would be shown. Number 2, interaction. Every dashboard should be interactive. If it's not interactive, it's just a PowerPoint slide. Now, there doesn't need to be a lot of interaction. Here you can select the district you want to look at. And you can drill down to the different properties as well, different crime categories. Number 3, data consistency. As you're putting together your dashboard, you're looking at each one of these elements separately. There may be disconnects that you don't see until you bring it all together, and then the disconnects become very obvious. In this case, this decrease should be consistent with the decrease that we've got between the historical average and the current. It should be consistent. We should see a decrease below the historical average. Also, these values here, the 10.7, 6.3, 4.1, 2.1, let's just add these up real quick, and that should get us close to this 24. The average should match. And then these numbers, these monthly values, when totaled up, should be less than historical average. The data should be consistent. When you have it all together, it's going to be very obvious that it's not. Who's going to use it and how? Interaction, and make sure the data is consistent. Hope you liked the video. Make sure you subscribe and leave a comment. I'd really appreciate it.